Different right now.
Is he sick? Is he dying?
No, sir.
You can't just leave without prior notice. How will you explain to your students that they'll skip class today because you want to celebrate your boyfriend's employment?
Hi, baby. Sorry, hindi ako makakauwi. Hindi ko kasi maiwan yung klase ko eh.
Ngayon lang naman eh. Celebrate naman tayo konti.
Alam ko naman yun eh. Kahit gustuhin ko man, hindi talaga pwede. Hayaan mo. Pag-uwi ko, I will make it up to you with fireworks. Alam mo na ang ibig kong sabihin.